Behind every city, cooling towers work relentlessly to keep industries running. But what happens when scale and biofouling creep in? The traditional solution? Costly chemicals and frequent maintenance. The smarter solution? CQM Group's self-cleaning electrolysis systems, the SRS. The process begins with a pump that draws cooling water from the tower and circulates it into the SR's unique reactor. Inside, the water flows between multiple anodes and cathodes. As an electric current passes through, ions in the water are separated. This process generates chlorine and additional strong oxidants on demand, disinfecting the water and eliminating bacteria and other biological contaminants, such as Legionella bacteria. The unique environment creates scale inside the reactor, instead of in your water cooling system. As the scaleless, disinfected water flows back to the cooling tower, our patented self-cleaning mechanism removes the scale deposits before they become a problem, washing them down the drain and keeping the system at peak efficiency. It's a simple yet powerful solution that saves energy, eliminates costly downtime, extends the life of your critical equipment, and optimizes heat transfer performance. Designed to fit cooling systems of different capacities, the SRS delivers continuous cleaning, improved heat transfer, and rapid ROI. With installations all around the globe, CQM Group works behind the scenes to keep everything efficient, sustainable, and safe, so you can focus on what truly matters.